The SUV market is booming, but not every option delivers what it promises. How do trusted brands produce models riddled with mechanical failures and costly repairs? Let's uncover the 10 SUVs you need to avoid before making a regrettable purchase. Number 1. Nissan Juke, a quirky disaster. At first glance, the Nissan Juke might charm you with its unconventional design. Its quirky styling set it apart in a crowded market, but that's about where the good news ends. Beneath the eccentric exterior lies a host of expensive problems, with the most notorious being its continuously variable transmission, or CVT. While Nissan aimed to innovate with the Juke's bold design, the mechanical shortcomings overshadow any aesthetic appeal. Owners frequently report dissatisfaction with the vehicle's ride quality and noise levels. The suspension feels overly firm, making for a bumpy drive, and the cabin insulation is poor, allowing road noise to seep in constantly. And it doesn't stop there. The Juke also suffers from timing chain failures, which can cause catastrophic engine damage. The Nissan Juke's reliability issues make it one of the most regrettable SUV purchases out there. Number 2. Jaguar F-Pace, luxury at a cost. The Jaguar F-Pace promised to blend luxury with performance when it entered the SUV market. On the surface, it delivered a stunning design, plush interior, and a badge synonymous with opulence. However, the F-Pace quickly proved that luxury doesn't always translate to reliability. Owners frequently report coolant leaks, timing chain failures, and turbocharger issues, all of which result in repair bills resulting into the thousands. Even beyond its mechanical woes, the F-Pace struggles with its technology. Adding to its troubles, the F-Pace's fuel efficiency is another sore point for owners. Number 3. Ford EcoSport, small size, big problems. Compact SUVs like the Ford EcoSport are often marketed as affordable and practical, but the EcoSport is far from a safe bet. One of its biggest flaws lies in its dry belt oil jump, a critical component for engine lubrication. When this belt fails, a common issue, the engine suffers catastrophic damage. The repair costs? They can be astronomical, sometimes exceeding the vehicle's resale value. The EcoSport's 1.0-liter 3-cylinder engine is another weak point, plagued by coolant leaks and overheating issues. Number 4. Range Rover, luxury, but at what cost? The Range Rover has long been a status symbol, blending off-road capability with high-end luxury. But owning one comes with a heavy price, and not just a sticker price. Air suspension failures are among the most common issues, and when they occur, they leave the vehicle undrivable. Repairing or replacing the air suspension system can cost thousands of dollars. Range Rovers also suffer from chronic coolant leaks, oil leaks, and electrical malfunctions. Imagine being unable to get into your car because the stylish flush door handles have frozen shut in cold weather. Yep, it's a thing. Number 5. Hyundai Tucson, a hit and risk. The Hyundai Tucson might seem like a practical, budget-friendly option at first, but its reliability issues have earned it a spot on this list. Many models equipped with the infamous Theta 2 engines have experienced catastrophic failures, often due to metal shavings clogging the oil system. These issues lead to rod-bearing failures and engine seizure, leaving owners with enormous repair bills. Even outside of engine problems, the Tucson is plagued by complaints about climate control malfunctions, noisy cabins, and frequent transmission issues. While Hyundai has made strides in quality control in recent years, the Tucson's history of recalls and lawsuits makes it a gamble for anyone seeking long-term reliability. Number 6. Alfa Romeo Tonali, Italian flair, questionable durability. As one of the newest entries in the SUV market, the Alfa Romeo Tonali comes packed with the Italian styling and sporty handling. But as early adopters have discovered, style doesn't equal substance. Reports of electrical glitches, such as malfunctioning infotainment systems and HVAC units, are already cropping up. These issues aren't just annoying, they're a red flag for potential long-term reliability concerns. Mechanically, the Tonali hasn't escaped scrutiny either. Owners have noted unusual drivetrain noises and expressed doubts about its durability. While Alfa Romeo's brand may appeal to enthusiasts, the Tonali's shaky start makes it a risky investment for those seeking a dependable vehicle. Number 7. Jeep Cherokee, a legacy tarnished. The Jeep Cherokee once stood as a symbol of rugged dependability, but the modern version has struggled to maintain that reputation. Its biggest Achilles heel is the ZF 9-speed automatic transmission, which is notorious for jerky shifting and frequent failures. Repairs for these issues can easily cost thousands of dollars, frustrating owners who expected more from the Jeep brand. Number 8. Mercedes-Benz GLB, practical but plagued by issues. The Mercedes-Benz GLB is marketed as a compact luxury SUV, combining practicality with premium features. Unfortunately, it falls short in the reliability department. Owners have reported paint quality issues, rust, and infotainment system malfunctions, problems that are unacceptable in a vehicle bearing the Mercedes name. The biggest concern, however, lies in its 1.3-liter turbocharged engine co-developed with Renault. This engine has been flagged for premature failures, raising doubts about its long-term durability. While the GLB offers a spacious interior and cutting-edge tech, its reliability issues overshadow its appeal. Number 9. Ford Escape, a familiar problem. The Ford Escape has long been a popular choice in the compact SUV market, but its track record is riddled with issues. Models equipped with EcoBoost engines frequently suffer from head gasket failures, leading to coolant leaks, overheating, and in many cases, total engine failure. Transmission problems are another common complaint, with jerky shifts and outright breakdowns leaving owners stranded. Despite its attractive design and practical features, the Escape's history of mechanical issues makes it a poor choice for buyers seeking peace of mind. Number 10. Kia Seltos, style that masks trouble. The Kia Seltos has gained traction as a stylish and affordable SUV, but its long-term reliability remains in question. The CVT transmission used in many models is often noisy, unrefined, and prone to failure. Additionally, owners have reported a host of electrical problems, including malfunctioning parking brakes and frequent engine stalling. Did any of these SUVs surprise you? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more must-know automotive tips. See you next time, and happy car hunting!